Start with a slip knot and chain 12. You can change this number of chains according to the size of your gadget. Now one single crochet in the second chain from the hook, this one, and one single crochet in each and every stitch until the last stitch. In the last stitch, make 3 single crochets. Now turn your work and start working on the opposite side. One single crochet in each and every stitch until the last stitch. And take this yarn along with the working yarn. Now we reach the last stitch, make 3 single crochets over here. And slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. This is the first single crochet, make a slip stitch over here. Next on, chain 2. This chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch, and for this whole pattern the starting chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch. One double crochet in the same stitch. And one double crochet in each and every stitch. Continue working on the opposite side too. Once you reach there, make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next on, chain 2, one double crochet in the same stitch, one front post double crochet in the next stitch, yarn over, insert a hook from the front post, pull up a loop, pull through first 2 loops, and finally the last 2 loops. Now repeat this, one double crochet in the next stitch, one front post double crochet in the next stitch, one double crochet, one front post double crochet in the next stitch, repeat this all around. Once you reach then, make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. This is how it will look. Next on, chain 2. This round onwards you will be alternating the starting stitches. Here you have a double crochet, so in this stitch you will make a front post double crochet. And in the next stitch you have a front post double crochet, so here you will make a double crochet. Now repeat this, one front post double crochet on this double crochet, and one double crochet on this front post double crochet. This is how it will look. Once you reach, then make a slip stitch on top of this front post double crochet. Now keep repeating this rounds until you reach the size which you need. Just keep alternating the starting stitches. Start this round with chain 2, and here you have a front post double crochet, so you'll start off with a double crochet and one front post double crochet in the next stitch. And once you reach, then make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. This is how the pattern will look. Next round, chain 1, one single crochet in the same stitch and one single crochet in each and every stitch around. Once you reach, then make a slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. Next on, chain 1, one single crochet in the same stitch. Now to make the button loop, just fold your piece into half and gauge the midpoint. This is the mid stitch. Make one single crochet in each and every stitch until this point. Chain 10, this is how it will look, and you can check if your button is going through. You can change the size of this loop by changing the number of stitches. One single crochet in the same stitch and continue making one single crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach, then make a slip stitch on top of this first single crochet and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.